right, well, hello people, Mr. Williams once more. Today I'll be going over our s'mores lab sheet, basically, and mostly just going over how the lab kind of works. So today I have a marshmallow that won't work from radiation, and I have 3 examples that will work. Today, I guess we can start with the chocolate. The chocolate obviously is a solid. My hot plate is up to high, and it is my source of all thermal energy for this particular system. So if I take my Hershey chocolate and put it on here, almost instantly, it's going to start to melt, right? That's because the chocolate is getting enough thermal energy to change it to a liquid. And of course, if I push down a little bit, it'll start losing its shape and it'll basically turn into a liquid, pretty quickly. Also, if I then use a marshmallow to do the same thing, a marshmallow, give me a piece of foil. I'll put my marshmallow on, and again, relatively quickly, it's going to start to melt and all that stuff. Now, I am doing this by using conduction. Conduction is transferring heat through touch. The marshmallow is touching the hot plate, making it, of course, melt and change. Now, an example of a thermal energy transfer where I don't touch is radiation. Hence, like if you go to a campfire, like a real one, not a hot plate, of course, you're actually gonna be able to melt your marshmallow to make some s'mores. In this case, we are gonna be able to melt it, but you might feel some of the heat come onto the marshmallow, right? Now, because we don't got enough time to, hold it over in a 55-minute class. Now, the one that does work is if I use some chocolate and hold it over. So, if I get one more piece of chocolate and unwrap it, as you can tell, this chocolate has not been tampered with. It is mint. So of course, I put it on my foil, and this time I hold it over the heater. As I hold it over the heat from the hot plate is going to transfer to the foil and transfer to the Hershey chocolate. And as you can see, start to make it melt. Now, this process is a touch slower because the heat has to travel through the air a little bit to get to my chocolate. And as you can see, already starting to melt and slide. Now, one more time, conduction is by touch, radiation is by holding over. So, that's that.